Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. Topic for this video is what is the difference between intermittent fasting and carb cycle. There is a big difference between following intermittent fasting and carb cycle. Today is Friday, I just completed my leg workout. I am very much tired, but still I am interested to talk on this topic, the difference between carb cycle and intermittent fasting. I think that during this lockdown period, most of us have gained weight. Even I too gained at least approximately 2 kilograms to 3 kilograms because of the sedentary lifestyle we are all having during this lockdown period. So let me explain the difference between intermittent fasting and carb cycle and which one is the most effective way to lose our body fat and body weight very quickly. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. Topic for this video is what is the difference between intermittent fasting and carb cycle, and which one is the best way to lose our body weight and body fat very quickly and very effectively and in a scientific way. You must have heard about these two words, intermittent fasting or carb cycle, to lose our body weight and body fat very quickly in a short span of time. You must have watched these topics in YouTube or some other way. So let me tell you which one is the best way, whether intermittent fasting is the best way to lose our body weight and body fat very quickly, or following carb cycle is the best way to lose our body fat and body weight very quickly. I tried my level best to continue shooting after completion of leg workout, but it was very difficult for me. I took bath and then again I started shooting this video. Let me tell you first what is carb cycle. Carb cycle means you are taking carbs in a different proportions, in a different ways and a different days. That means if you assume that we started following this carb cycle from Monday onwards, and Monday we take high calories, Tuesday we take low calories, and Wednesday we take 0 calories, and again Thursday we'll shoot our calories. That means we'll take high calories on Thursday, and Friday we'll again go with the low calories, and Saturday we'll go with the 0 calorie diet. This is what is actually called carb cycle. Carb cycle means you are actually playing with your carbs intake in your body. That means on Monday you will take high calories, Tuesday you will take low calories, and Wednesday you take 0 calories. With this what happens, naturally your body gets confused. That means every day you are not giving the same amount of calories to your body, but body needs the same amount of calories every day. After your heavy workout, body needs the same amount of calories every day. So body tries to burn the fat storages in your body. This is one way we can lose our body fat and body weight very quickly and very effectively in a short span of time. So in carb cycle, let me repeat once again, on Monday we'll take high calorie diet, Tuesday we take low calorie diet, Wednesday we take 0 calorie diet. Technically it is not possible to take 0 calorie diet. You may be having a doubt what to eat on a 0 calorie diet. On 0 calorie diet, generally we can take fruits, generally we can take vegetables which are 0 calorie, and we can live on that day without taking any kind of carbs. But it is technically different, it is practically very different to follow 0 calorie day. Now on Thursday again we'll shoot our calories very high, we'll take more number of calories and we take high calories on Thursday, and Friday again we'll come to the low calorie, and Saturday we'll go with the 0 calorie. So in this way we burn more fat from our body and we lose our weight very quickly in a short span of time. So this is a scientific way we can follow carb cycle to lose our body fat and body weight very quickly and very effectively in a short span of time. And how exactly we have to follow this carb cycle? I have given the link in the description box below. The PDF file is given in the description box below. You download the PDF file and go through the information given in the PDF file. Let me tell you one more thing. If you want to see results in your body, you have to follow this carb cycle at least for 3 to 4 months to find changes in your body. If you follow only for 1 week or 2 weeks, you may not find great change in your body. So after carb cycle, now let us understand what is intermittent fasting. It is simple fasting, but the gap between 2 meals will be different. There are 2 or 3 different timings are there to follow this intermittent fasting, giving gap between 2 meals, maximum 8 hours, 16 hours, 20 hours. It is not so easy to give gap between 2 meals. 6 hours or 8 hours may be possible, but beyond 8 hours, if you try to give 10 hours gap between 2 meals and 12 hours gap between 2 meals, it is not so easy to follow. Let us understand this in a simple way. If a person takes the last meal of the day around 6 o'clock in the evening, and next day if you take the first meal, I mean breakfast, around 8 o'clock in the morning, that means the person is fasting for nearly 14 hours. So this is also called intermittent fasting. But technically what is intermittent fasting means, we will give gap between 2 meals, 8 hours gap, are 12 hours gap or 16 hours gap. At extreme cases, we can give 20 hours gap also in between two meals. So what will happen when you don't give calories to your body, when you don't give food to your body, the body burns the fat storages from your body to survive. So this is called intermittent fasting, but this is little extreme to lose our body weight very quickly and very fast in a short span of time. Generally, intermittent fasting is little tougher than carb cycle. So which method is suitable to you? You have to follow this method for at least 2 to 3 weeks, so that only you can understand which method is best suitable for your body. So this is about the carb cycle and intermittent fasting. I personally follow carb cycle for few months and intermittent fasting for few months to regulate my body weight or to control my body weight or even to maintain my body weight. So these two are the two different methods to lose our body weight and body fat very quickly: carb cycle and intermittent fasting. Before I sign off, let me tell you one thing. If you are more interested to know about carb cycle intermittent fasting, go to the description box below. I have provided links to the PDF file in the description box below. Download the PDF file and you can read further to understand this carb cycle and intermittent fasting at your leisure time. So this is about the difference between carb cycle and intermittent fasting. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you can receive latest information about the videos the moment I upload videos in the YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. All the best.